Hello students, it's Ms. Caballero, and I'm going to explain to you what to do for this week and for the upcoming weeks. We're going to read a drama called The Diary of Anne Frank, which you all saw the YouTube video last week and you did a reflection on it. And you know how we would always do the notice and note on the side, all these questions here. We decided to change it up a bit, and you're going to read, but you're going to do your work on this booklet here. Okay, so what you need is 4 sheets of blank paper. Fold them in half. Sorry, like this. And you're going to number them. You don't number the front cover. So this page is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and so on until you get to page 14. And it's going to look like this. This is your cover. You're going to put the title, The Diary of Anne Frank, drama by Frances Goodrich and Albert Hackett. On page 1, you're going to write the vocabulary that's on page 410 and define the words. Page 2, who are the characters, and you'll find that on page 412, and the setting, page 412. Page 3 is just a filler page, just act 1. Page 4, you're going to label it scene 1, and then do a line about 3/4 of the way down, and this is where you will answer your question. Okay, right now I'll tell you how to get the questions. On page 5, you have scene 2. Page 6, scene 3. Page 7, scene 4. Page 8, scene 5. Page 9, act 2. And you don't have to get that fancy, just write act 2. Page 10, scene 1, since now we're in act 2, it's scene 1. Page 11, scene 2. Page 12, scene 3. Page 13, scene 4. And page 14, scene 5. Okay. So this booklet will take you a few weeks to complete, but for this week you're only doing, it says there right here, you're going to do the vocabulary, character setting, read act 1, scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. Okay. After each scene, you're gonna draw and color a scene that you visualized and answer a question in this bottom part here. Now, where do you get your questions? You're gonna choose 1 through 5. So let's say after you read scene 1, you wanna make a connection. You would do number 2 and make a connection and just explain there. Or if you wanna predict, you're wondering what's gonna happen next, then you would do number 3 and predict. So you choose any of the 5, whichever you want, or you could do a summary, whichever one you want. And that goes here on the bottom part for each one. You will do that for each scene throughout the booklet. Okay, if you have any questions, let us know.